Hi everyone, welcome back to Healthy Plus. Today we'll be talking about how to lose weight quickly with tips and strategies that have been proven to work. Losing weight can be a challenge, but with the right strategies, you can achieve your goals in a healthy and sustainable way. Let's get started. The first tip is to cut calories. Losing weight requires a calorie deficit, which means you need to burn more calories than you consume. By reducing your calorie intake, you can create a calorie deficit and promote weight loss. Start by cutting back on sugary drinks, processed foods, and snacks. Instead, focus on eating plenty of fruits, vegetables, lean protein, and whole grains. These foods are nutrient-dense and can help you feel full, reducing your overall calorie intake. The second tip is to engage in high-intensity exercise. High-intensity exercise involves short bursts of intense activity, followed by periods of rest. This type of exercise can help you burn more calories in less time and promote weight loss. The third tip is to incorporate strength training into your workout routine. Building muscle can increase your metabolism, allowing you to burn more calories at rest. Try incorporating exercises such as squats, lunges, and push-ups into your routine. The fourth tip is to drink plenty of water. Staying hydrated can help you feel full and reduce your appetite. Aim for at least 8 glasses of water per day and avoid sugary drinks and alcohol, which can contribute to weight gain. The fifth tip is to get enough sleep. Sleep is essential for weight loss success. Aim for at least 7 hours of sleep per night to support your weight loss efforts. And finally, the sixth tip is to reduce stress. Stress can contribute to weight gain by increasing the production of the hormone cortisol, which can lead to increased appetite and cravings. Try incorporating stress-reducing activities such as yoga, meditation, or deep breathing into your daily routine. And there you have it, 6 tips to help you lose weight quickly and in a healthy and sustainable way. Remember, losing weight takes time and commitment, but with the right strategies, you can achieve your goals. Thanks for watching and we'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more great content. If you are interested in losing weight fast, access the link that is in the description of this video.